Babe, guess what doTERRA sent us?
Okay, you guys, something came in the mail from me for doTERRA.
I just walked up to my front porch.
Okay, so just got the mail. Cute little package from doTERRA. I am so excited, you guys, look.
We shouldn't be getting this excited about deodorant.
I'm gonna try Balance today.
I'm going to go on a pretty hardcore workout. It's about 97 degrees.
I love that I smell like Balance all the time.
I've tried so many natural deodorants, none have worked as well as this one.
I am super excited to share this with everyone.
4-mile run plus some weightlifting. I'll tell you one thing, the new deodorant works.
I'm super excited about our new deodorant.
Smells really good.
I just wrapped my live broadcast up.
My personal trainer is on the way.
You guys, we're good. We're totally good.
The true test will be if it could stand up to one of Kai's workouts. And I sweat a lot.
It smells pretty good.
Done my run, as you can see. Oh, it's good, you guys.
Like I could smell little whiffs of Balance.
It still smells like Balance, even after that situation.
Probably 90 degrees and probably 99% humidity. And you know what? I'm real impressed. I still smell like Balance.